Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your motion and fitness information on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the privacy and security. Once you're here, again, you want to swipe down and go to the motion and fitness. So click on this one, and here you are going to have the list of applications that have requested access to your motion and fitness activity. So in my case, as you can see, I do have only health up. So if I turn off this feature, I'm not going to see, for example, step counters in the health app. And if I'm going to click enable, and the health app is going to get the fitness tracking informations. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.